Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to our today's sessions on data communications and networks. In this video, we are going to talk about the physical layer which is used in the transmission medium, which is the first and the most fundamental layer of the OSI model. Even though it is called the lowest layer, it plays a very important role because every form of a communication in a network starts here. Without the physical layer, no data can move from one devices to another device. That's we already know. The devices can be using into the physical layer. It is mainly responsible for transmitting the raw data in the form of bits. That is the zeros and ones. It focuses only on how data is sent physically through a medium such as the cables, wires, fibers or wireless signals. This layer does not care about the meaning of the data, the type of message, or whether the data is correct or incorrect. Its job is very simple and clear. Convert the digital data into the signals and send it from the sender to the receivers. One important concept handled by the physical layer, it is the transmission mode. So the transmission mode can express the how data flows between the two communications devices. In other words, it defines the directions of the data flow and whether the both devices can communicate at the same time or not. Based on this device, the transmission modes are classified into three types: simplex, half duplex, and full duplex. These modes help us to understand how different communication systems work in the real life systems. In simplex mode, communication happens in only one directions. One devices always act as the sender and the other always act as the receiver. The receiver cannot send any response back to the sender. A common example of the simplex mode is the television broadcastings, where the TV station sends signals and the viewers only receive them. Other example include the radio and the keyboard sending the input to the CPU. Then simplex communication is simple and cost effective, but it does not allow the feedbacks also. Next one is the half duplex. The half duplex is allows communications in both directions, but not the same time. This means both devices can send the received data, but only one devices can transmit the particular movement. A very good example of a half duplex mode is a walkie talkie. When one person speaks, the other person listens. They take a turn to communicate. This mode is useful where the full-time simulations communications is not required. Next, full duplex mode. The full duplex mode is the most efficient transmission mode, but not the same time. This means both devices can send the received data, but only one devices can transmit the particular movement. So in this mode, the data flow in both directions at the same time. Both devices can send the receive and data simultaneously, which makes the communication faster and more natural. Mobile phone calls and video calls are the best example for the full duplex communications. When we talk on a phone, we can speak and listen at the same time without any interruptions. So this is the full duplex, half duplex, and simplex duplex for the examples. Then summarize the part of the simplex is a one way, half duplex is a two way, but only one at a time can be performed. Full duplex, it may be performed at the two-way communications. This is the mind map of the transmission mode. This is the curiosity challenge. If the OSI layer fails, will entire the internet shops. Why is lays? Then we can communicate the off duplex mode, full duplex mode, and over to the person A and person B can contact to the each and everyone. This is the assessment quiz. The first one is the data flows is a one direction only. simplex duplex. Walkie talkie uses off duplex. Video calls is a full duplex. This is the references. In the references part, to conclude, the physical layer a crucial role in the data communication by defining how data is physically transmitted. Transmission modes such as the simplex, half duplex and full duplex with the help of understand the directions of the data flow with the communication systems. The concept may look very simple, but the foundation all understanding for the networking technologies. Thank you for watching, and we will continue with the more interesting topic of the next section. Thank you.